Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Max speed, 2,100 revolutions per minute. Max torque, 1,400 inch-pounds. Weight, tool only 3.3 pounds. Head length, 7 inches. Milwaukee delivers incredible performance in a surprisingly compact and versatile package with this half-an-inch hammer drill. Despite its small size, this tool generates an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and reaches a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, making it more than capable of handling tough drilling and driving tasks. During testing, it easily powered through a half-inch drill bit and a 1-inch spade bit, as well as drilling precise 1/4-inch holes into concrete, demonstrating consistent performance across a variety of materials. One of the standout features of this hammer drill is its 3 speed settings, which offer more control than most competing models that only provide 2. This flexibility allows you to dial back the speed and torque when driving screws or working on delicate materials, giving you precise control without sacrificing power. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Milwaukee hammer drill remains compact and lightweight, measuring just under 7 inches from tip to tail and weighing only 3.3 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during extended projects. An added safety feature, the auto-stop mechanism, automatically shuts off the motor if the bit binds, preventing over-rotation and protecting both the user and the tool. While it may not claim the absolute top spot in speed or torque, when you consider its combination of compact size, manageable weight, powerful performance, and safety features, this Milwaukee hammer drill stands out as the most well-rounded, reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. Max speed, 1,800 revolutions per minute. Torque, 400 inch-pounds. Weight, tool only 2.23 pounds. Head length, 6.1 inches. The Skil PWRCORE 20V drill is a surprisingly capable tool that delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Despite its compact size, this drill produces enough power to handle everyday drilling and driving tasks with ease. In testing, it drilled a half-inch hole into a standard 2x4 in just 3 seconds, showcasing its efficient performance. While it struggled a bit with larger 1-inch spade bits, occasionally binding in the wood, it excelled at driving screws, easily handling 3-inch screws without any issues. One of the drill's strongest points is its lightweight, ergonomic design. Weighing only 2.23 pounds, without the battery, and featuring a slim profile, it is one of the easiest 20-volt drills to maneuver and control, even during extended use. This makes it an excellent choice for users who need a reliable drill for tight spaces or overhead work. While it may lack some of the premium features of high-end drills, the Skil PWRCORE still includes practical tools like 2 speed settings for different applications and an integrated LED worklight for improved visibility in dim areas. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Skil PWRCORE 20V drill is its price. While professional-grade drills often exceed $300, this drill kit is available for just $80, offering excellent value without sacrificing solid performance. For those looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight, and reliable cordless drill, the Skil PWRCORE 20V is a standout option that proves affordability and functionality can go hand in hand. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Max speed, 2,500 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,400 inch-pounds. Weight, tool only 3.9 pounds. Head length, 7.1 in. Flex cordless tools are celebrated for their incredible power, and the Flex 24V cordless drill lives up to that reputation. Equipped with 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a top speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, this drill effortlessly handled every test we put it through. It drilled 5 half-an-inch holes with a twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit in under 3 seconds each, maintaining smooth, consistent performance with no hesitation. To push its limits, we even tested it on a block of cement using a 3/8-inch bit, an area where most cordless drills would struggle or fail. The Flex handled it with ease, proving its reliability in demanding applications. Powered by a 24-volt motor and paired with a robust battery, the Flex drill is heavier than many other models, weighing just under 4 pounds alone and nearly 6 pounds with the included 5.0 Ah battery. Its head is compact at 7.1 inches, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces without sacrificing control. The Flex drill is loaded with advanced features designed for professional use. A turbo button lets you instantly boost torque to its maximum output, while built-in rotation protection stops the drill from over-rotating, helping prevent strain or injury. While this cordless drill carries a higher price than many others on the market, it delivers unmatched performance, durability, and features. For professionals and serious DIYers who need raw power and reliable performance for tough jobs, the Flex 24V cordless drill is an exceptional choice that won't let you down. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. Max speed, 2000 revolutions per minute. Torque, not listed. Weight, tool only 4.1 pounds. Head length, 7.6 in. The DeWalt XR cordless drill stands out as the flagship model in DeWalt's lineup, delivering impressive power, precision, and versatility. During testing, it drilled a half-inch hole through a standard 2x4 in just half a second, and completed a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in only 3 seconds, making it the fastest drill among all the models we tested. Its performance isn't just about raw speed, the XR provides excellent control over that power. With 3 speed settings, you can easily dial back the speed, and with adjustable torque, driving screws become smooth and precise without stripping the heads. Safety and convenience are also priorities for DeWalt. The XR features an anti-rotation mechanism that automatically shuts off the motor if it detects excessive rotation, helping to protect your wrist and reduce strain. Additionally, the integrated, adjustable work light ensures better visibility in dimly lit workspaces, improving accuracy on every job. While not the lightest drill on the market, weighing 4.1 pounds, without the battery, it is designed with a compact 7.6-inch head, allowing it to fit comfortably into tight spaces where many other cordless drills cannot. With its combination of speed, control, safety features, and compact design, the DeWalt XR cordless drill is a top choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand reliable, high-performance power tools that make challenging tasks faster, easier, and safer. It balances strength and versatility in a way few drills can match. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Max speed, 2,100 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,250 inch-pounds. Weight, tool only 5.5 pounds. Head length, 7 in. Makita's XPH14 cordless hammer drill combines impressive power with a compact, versatile design, making it an excellent choice for both professional and DIY users. With a maximum torque of 1,250 inch-pounds and a top speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, this hammer drill handled every test we threw at it with ease. It effortlessly drilled a half-inch hole and a 1-inch spade bit through standard 2x4 lumber, delivering smooth, reliable performance every time. Its hammer drill function is equally capable, easily boring 5/8-inch holes into concrete, making it a great option for masonry tasks. Beyond drilling, the XPH14 excels as a driver. Adjustable speed and torque settings allow for precise control, preventing screw head stripping while efficiently driving 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s. This makes it a highly versatile tool for a wide range of projects, from framing and construction to home renovations. Despite its substantial power, the XPH14 remains compact with a head length of just 7 inches, allowing it to fit comfortably into tighter spaces where larger drills struggle. While it is on the heavier side at 5.5 pounds, bare tool, the solid construction and ergonomic design make it manageable for extended use. With its combination of raw power, precision control, and durable build, the Makita XPH14 18V cordless hammer drill is an outstanding all-around tool. It is ideal for users who demand performance, versatility, and reliability in one compact package, making challenging drilling and driving tasks faster and more efficient.